grab the flowers that are in here for me. Grab the flowers, somebody.
Okay. Who gave you these? Daddy. Oh, those are pretty and warm.
They're pretty and warm. Hi, Brando.
It's so yummy. I haven't seen you in a long time, you guys.
My wonderful husband. What?
They're not going to last if nobody covered them.
Yeah, they were. They were covered in the car.
Oh,
they
they
were
were?
in the car.
Oh, she's a little peanut. Let me get her out of here. Oh my gosh, is that big for her?
Yeah. She's such a little. Are you sure that's not a doll? That's a. She's a small little thing. I want to see her naked. Well, don't watch her. Don't go too far with that girl.
Don't push it. Oh, she's tiny. Oh my goodness, she got lots of dark hair.
Wow. She's so small. Do you guys wash your hands?
Of course not.